Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Tuesday, May 18th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDSL Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Remember, scholars, this week is, for those that got an invite, the Commitment to Excellence. So invite only, happening yesterday, today, and tomorrow. We will start picking up in-person computers on Thursday and Friday of this week. And next week, pre-K on Monday, Kinder on Tuesday, and 5th grade on Wednesday, and 1st through 4th on Thursday. So, gather up your computers, gather up your charger, your cover, and if you got a stylus, make sure you gather that up also. We will be sending home either, if you're in person, we'll be sending home some extra materials that you can just practice with. It's not anything you have to turn back in. It's just some workbooks and stuff. We had some extras, so we want to send them home so you can practice during this summer. And then we also will be sending those home and giving those to our virtual scholars when they come to drop off their computers. So, some amazing things happening. We're getting closer and closer to the end of the year. Make sure you're in class every day. School has not ended. I know that was a small rumor that was out there. School has not ended. Do your best, and we'll see you in the classroom. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!